Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can make a backup power device for your 12 volts Wi-Fi router. So the things that you're going to need is one male 12 volts uh, power jack and one female 12 volts power jack and three lithium ion battery charging modules and three lithium ion 18650 batteries and two uh, 1N4007 diodes and few wires. So uh, first you have to create the battery charging circuit. So for that you're gonna connect these lithium ion battery charging modules in a series manner. So in a one lithium ion battery charging modules you can find uh, one minus input terminal and one plus input terminal and output minus terminal, output plus terminal, battery plus terminal, battery minus terminal. So first you have to connect these uh, three battery charging modules in a series way. That means in here you can find the first module plus input terminal and the second module minus input terminal. You can solder those two and connect those two with lead and in next battery charging module and the third battery charging module also you have to connect the plus terminal of the second module and the minus terminal of the third module and then you have to connect the two diodes at the output terminals of the battery charging modules. So you have to make sure, let me show you this clearly. Okay, now you can see in this diode there's a silver color stripe here, you see. So you have to connect this silver stripe to always output minus terminal. So in the first battery charging module connect the output plus terminal to this black color part of the diode and the silver color terminal to the second battery charging module minus terminal. Likewise you have to connect the second battery charging module and the third battery charging module also. After that you have to connect the first lithium ion modules battery minus terminal to the first lithium ion battery minus terminal and the first lithium ion battery charging modules plus terminal you have to connect it to the first batteries plus terminal. Likewise you have to connect the second one and the third one also. Then you have to connect the output minus terminal of the first battery charging module to the male 12 volts jack black color wire and you have to connect the third battery charging module output plus terminal to the 12 volts battery red color 12 volts male jack red color wire and in the first battery charging modules input minus terminal you have to connect it to the 12 volts female jack black color wire and the third battery charging module's input plus terminal, you have to connect it to the 12 volts female jack red color wire. And for the protection, you can do the black tape around the this lithium-ion batteries, and that completes your backup power device, and you can use this for your router, 12 volts router, backup power for the backup power purposes. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and let's meet with another good video. Thank you.